Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the layer catalog in GEM, a core feature that lists all the mapping layers you can display on the map and use for modeling. Let's dive in and take a closer look. To access the layer catalog, you can click Explore the Layer Catalog in the left panel or click the Layers button in the Legend panel. Keywords are a simple yet powerful way to filter the list of layers. As you type, the list updates automatically below. The category control also helps filter layers by limiting the list to one category. Here, we'll choose Utilities, which also includes the power plant layer. When you click on a layer title, its information pops up in the side panel. Here, you'll find the layer's description, category, type, source, publication date, and when it was last updated in GEM. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see some helpful buttons. You can add the layer to the map by clicking Add. You can also download a layer's metadata. Metadata provides many more details about the data, including a longer description and the original data source, which should be credited in citations rather than GEM. You can click Download to download a copy of the data. This is provided as a convenience, but it's best to consult the metadata and locate the original data source to ensure you are using the most current and authoritative version. Clicking the checkbox next to the layer's name adds it to the legend and the map. Unchecking the box removes it. The catalog includes 3 types of layers, and you can show or hide them using their toggle buttons. Let's break them down. First, we have the standard mapping layers, identified by the layer toggle. These are the most commonly used layers. There are over 200 of them. Next are the model input layers. These are used to create custom models in GEM. Modeling lets you generate an image that shows a color-coded range of the most suitable to least suitable areas for a specific purpose. Finally, we have the model output layers. These are pre-computed results for each suitability model listed in the Find Suitable Areas panel. They're a great option if you'd rather not customize or create your own model. Now, let's take a closer look at the controls for each layer in the legend. The first icon next to a layer lets you adjust its transparency. Click it to display the slider, then use the slider to adjust the transparency level. The eye icon is for toggling the display of the layer. Click it to hide the layer on the map. Toggling doesn't remove the layer from the legend. It only turns it on and off on the map display. If you no longer need a layer, click the minus icon to remove it from the legend. And if you change your mind, you can always add it again using the layer catalog. Sometimes, layers might be hidden by other layers displayed on top of them. To change the drawing order, just hover over a layer to display its reorder handle. Then, click and drag the handle. That wraps up our tour of the layer catalog. Ready to explore more? Check out our other videos to learn how to get the most out of GEM.